Hi everyone, welcome back to my yet another video and channel. If you are here for the very first time, then hi, I'm Ishita Batla. I make videos related to skincare, mostly because I love skincare. And apart from that, I have videos related to makeups, lifestyle, fashion stuff. You can check out my channel. Also hit that subscribe button below this video. It will really help me outgrow my channel. And yeah, without much further ado, let's jump into the video. And this video will be all about AHA BHA Peeling Solution from the brand The Ordinary. And The Ordinary recently just introduced in India and it's available on my Nykaa. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start from the brand introduction. I'll be reviewing this product from the brand The Ordinary. The Ordinary is very famous brand outside India, but ये recently India में launch हुआ है from Nykaa. So original products are available on Nykaa also. You can directly get from here और उनकी supply भी बहुत तेज है, delivery तो बहुत ही तेज है. तो आप एकदम से 2-3 days में इसको ले लोगे. जब मैंने इसको order किया था, I got my order like within 2-3 days and that was fantastic. So yeah, this was all about the brand. It's very famous, very affordable brand. And इनके products काफ़ी effective हैं. If you are looking for anything active ingredient in your skincare routine, then this brand can really help you out. इनके काफ़ी सारे products available हैं. Vitamin C, niacinamide, AHA, BHA, lactic acid, glycolic acid, बहुत तरीके के इनके products and serums आते हैं. So you can check whatever you like and whatever you prefer for your skincare routine. So that was all about the brand The Ordinary. Let's see what is this AHA BHA peeling solution is all about. So this is the product AHA BHA Peeling Solution from the brand The Ordinary and this is how it looks like. This is very normal serum bottle जिसके ऊपर आपको चीज़ें दिख जाएंगी क्या क्या है उसके अंदर, the ingredients, the name, and also the color is very good, like very unique. The bloody red color of this product is very unique. That actually makes it unique. So yeah, this was all about the packaging. The packaging is very simple, subtle, just the normal glass bottle. You can see the color from within and the it has the directions over it and उसके अलावा you can just see कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. That's all about it. This 30 ml bottle is totally worth the money. It cost you around 600-700 rupees and ये आपको काफ़ी लंबा last करती है because इसके सिर्फ 3 to 4 drops ही आपको चाहिए होते हैं for your whole face and you will use it once a week or maybe once in 15 days. So this totally worth your money. So this is the price perspective. I totally feel कि ये product totally worth the money है if you are using this in correct way. Also this has AHA 30% and BHA 2% in it. So AHAs are something that works above your skin and BHAs are something that goes underneath your skin, underneath your pores to clear them out. So इसके अंदर AHAs की form में it has glycolic acid, lactic acid as main ingredient and for BHA it has salicylic acid. So अगर आप इसका combination use करना चाहते हो then this is the product because आप अलग अलग use कर सकते हो according to what skin concern you are working with. So it has 30% of concentration of AHAs and 2% is of BHAs and it is a little strong concentration to use on your skin. You cannot use it per day, like every day. It's not a suitable product to use every day. You can just use it once a week or maybe once in 15 days only. अगर आपकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा sensitive skin है then I must recommend you कि आप इसको सिर्फ once a week या फिर 15 days में एक ही बार इसको use करें. Just not more than that. It's very strong product to use and it can do more harm than good if you don't use it well. So yeah, this was all about the ingredients in it. It's very good ingredient in it, no fragrance at all and इसका जो color है वो थोड़ा सा देखने में ऐसे danger vibes देता है but that's all about it. But it's not that dangerous. अगर आप इसको अच्छे से यूज़ करोगे ऑन योर स्किन इट विल टोटली वर्थ योर मनी एंड इट विल गिव यू अ काइंड ऑफ क्लीन अप और ग्लो अप जो आप अपने सलोन में जाके इतने पैसे लगाते हो फॉर योर क्लीन अप एंड ग्लो अप्स. यू कैन गेट इट विद दिस प्रोडक्ट ऑन एंड ओनली विद इन 10 minutes of usage and the usage is also very simple. It will just take your 10 minutes and within 10 minutes you are done. You can just get a glowy skin and a clear skin in just 10 minutes. So this was all about it. Let's just quickly see the application of the product. So let's start the application of the product. So I have zoomed in my camera a bit so that you can see the clear textures on the skin. So this is the product here and make sure आप इसको लगाने से पहले एक नॉर्मल वाटर से अपना फेस वॉश कर लीजिए एंड उसके बाद पैड ड्राई कर लो टॉवल से एंड मेक श्योर योर फेस इज टोटली ड्राई आउट आफ्टर द फेस वॉश. कुछ भी ऐसा वेट नहीं होना चाहिए जब आप इसको यूज़ कर रहे हो. सो आई हैव ड्राइड आउट माई फेस एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस नाउ. For now, I have just taken 3 drops of it, and you can see the texture. And you, like, normally I don't go under the eyes and over the neck. I just do it on my cheeks, nose, and yeah, rest of the face. And this was all about the application. You can see the texture, and also it will sting you a little bit in here and there. Maybe अगर आपके स्किन में कट्स हैं तो I would recommend don't use it. And yeah, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे या कहीं चीक्स पे आपको स्टिंग कर सकता है, बट वो स्टिंगिंग सेंसेशन जो है वो कुछ सेकंड्स के बाद चली जाती है. तो डोंट वरी अगर आपको लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा कहीं ये स्टिंग करे. दैट्स टोटली नॉर्मल, बिकॉज इसमें एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो आपकी स्किन को स्टिंग कर सकते हैं. सो yeah, that was all about the application and how it feels to apply this. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा dry नहीं होता है. You can speak, you can do whatever you want to do, and उसके बाद you can just wash it off after 10 minutes or maybe 5-7 minutes, whatever you prefer. तो आपको जितना ठीक लगे आप उतना रख सकते हो, but इस पे specially mention है you don't have to wear it more than 10 minutes. So yeah, you don't have to. अगर आपकी skin जैसी मर्जी है, you can frequently use it accordingly, like every week or 2 times a week, but yeah, you don't have to wear it for like 30 minutes or more than that. It's not the the kind of face pack you need to wear for longer time. It will work under 10 minutes, so you don't have to worry. So the time of application was 1:30, and we will definitely wash. You can check the time is 1:32 now, and I will wash it at exactly 1:40, and we will check the afterwards. So it's time to wash my face. It's already 1:39, and I'm going for face wash, and I'll be back. So I've done my face wash, and I just pat it dry, and the the removal of the product is very easy. You just have to splash some water on your face just like you do your face wash, and nothing special. So yeah, in this way you can just get rid of the product from your face, and this is how my face looks like. If you don't do facials like me, this is a wondrous product to use, and it will gives you a glow and a kind of cleanup effect after you use this, and it will just take your 10 minutes. So this was all about the application and after results of the product. Let me just quickly tell you some do's and don'ts for the product. So let's start with the do number 1. Always wash your face before using this product, and just with water. You don't have to use any specific face wash or any ingredient to use it. Just wash with plain simple water before using this product. So do number 2 will be always use this product once a week, and if you have very sensitive skin towards actives, or you don't use any actives in your skincare routine, just use this product once in 15 days or once in a month. That will be all it. Do number 3 will be if you are using this product for the very first time in life, or if you haven't used any kind of peeling solution or any active ingredient in your skincare routine, just try this product behind your ear for the very first usage. And if you get any sensation or very hard irritation, then just don't try this product. So let's hear some don'ts. So don't number 1 will be do not use this product on the same day when you're having your threading or any shaving for your face. Just wait for 1 to 2 days after you have done threading or shaving on your face, then you can definitely use this. Don't number 2 will be do not use any active ingredient after using this product at least for a day. So the same day if you're using this, like for today if you're using this, do not use any active ingredient in the same specific skincare routine. So after washing this after washing this product from your skin, do not use any specific active ingredient, because it has so much of active ingredients in it, so you don't have to use any extra ingredient for your same skincare routine. So this was all about the AHA BHA Peeling Solution review from the brand The Ordinary, and some do's and don'ts for using this product. I hope this will be helpful for you, and I'll meet you in my next video with some another content. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.